Hi there, my name is George Kosh, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of World Profit. I always like to start with this screen. It's my favorite screen. This is Google Analytics, just tracking some visits and hits to one of our galleries. We pride ourselves on traffic. That's what World Profit is all about, generating traffic not only to your affiliate links, but teaching you how to make money online, being a representative for World Profit, or whatever program you're in or will be in the future. I'm going to take you through exactly how this is done. As you can see, I've grabbed the last 30 days here, 269,000 users, which are visits, and almost 500,000 sessions because they return. People come back. You can see we've got 53 online right now, and this is just to one of our galleries. You must be saying to yourself, how is this possible? Like, how is this guy actually showing me this stuff? It's real. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about. This won't take long. I'm just going to give you an overview of your membership area and everything like that. But first off, let me introduce myself. My name is George Kosh. I'm a retired captain. I was a pilot in the Canadian military. I did 10 years as a graduate of Royal Military College and as a jet instructor pilot. I didn't know anything about business online, zero, but I learned it all over a 25-year period. I want to talk to you about traffic packages you can purchase if you decide to stay in the free program. I'm going to really try to convince you how to upgrade to silver and why. That won't take long because it is amazing and it'll tie you into some of that traffic I just showed you. I'll give you an idea of how to get your 50,000 visitors started. I just want to give you a quick overview of the member area, and I'm sure you've seen this, but I want you to look at a few things in your free area. Number one, turn on the Live Business Center up here. Traffic packages are all up here. They're amazing. They're outstanding. They're what is available to you. But you get a few of these things, especially the Traffic Blaster and the Ruby Solos. You get those free when you upgrade to silver, plus what you see here. If you have any questions or anything, you can always click Turn on Live Business Center, and you can see it'll come on. And we always have somebody in here to help you. Just type down in here your question, any issues that you might have, and then you could turn this off if you don't want to be bothered with the Live Business Center. But we're here all the time to help you. Down on the left menu, you see the goodie bag. This is the only area, if you're interested in all the goodies and freebies, 50,000 visitors, 500,000 free credits, and things like that. Don't tell me, though, that you're going to test the traffic with this. This is bulk traffic. It's from all over the world. It's not targeted to any specific niche, but it is free, and you can use it. Let me tell you about why you don't want to bother with all this stuff, why you want to come in and look at the silver training program. Most people don't make any money. I know you don't. You're here as a result of our traffic. Like, you're here. You're in here somewhere. And you came to us because you filled out a form and you decided, hey, I'm going to take a look at these guys, see what they're all about. Most likely you don't have a website of your own. Example website real quick that you get with your silver package. You get a beautiful image, a blog built in, links everywhere. You can link to stores. We'll teach you about Amazon stores. They're all free and part of the program. Your affiliate programs, line them up, put them on the site. All of your Twitter account, Facebook account, everything like that can be all set up on the site. We even give you a landing page to generate leads right away when you join. This is just a quick idea of the site that's already pre-built. Comes out of the package built and set for visitors to start coming into it, along with your affiliate programs. We have trusted lead sources. You probably don't. You probably don't have trusted traffic sources. And of course, this is the biggie, the system for promotion, the system that we taught your sponsor to do to get you here watching this. Make money. How do you do it? Well, you upgrade to silver. Highly recommended because you're going to get 12 lifetime memberships at our top sites. These sites have over 130,000 members in total, like Safeless Extreme, Traffic Center, among others. These were designed specifically for outside people to join. We have about 200 people joining all 12 every single day, fresh people coming from search engine and everywhere. You'll have access to them for the rest of your life. And these are upgraded paid memberships. They're things that we sell all the time. I showed you the complete pre-built SEO optimized website. It's completely designed. It's brand new, fresh out of the box, mobile compatible, everything that you could imagine, best top of the line. When you upgrade, you also get a year of targeted traffic. okay, you're going to get an account right in here under the Traffic Blaster packs. I'm going to give you a 1-year account. Look at the price of it. It's right down here, way down. You're going to get this one right here. 1 full year, $64 normally. That's waived. You won't have to pay that. Okay, so right away you can put any URL in there you want. We're going to give you 100 leads. You download your leads into your prospect manager system. Anytime you want, you can use them anytime you want. It doesn't matter. Again, this is an all-inclusive package. You also get 5 Solo Blasts to 100,000 members in these sites. Okay, it's exactly what you see. Incredible amount of traffic. Try us out for 30 days. You can't lose. I mean, these memberships alone are worth about $700 to $800. You get those no matter what. A lot of people wonder, well, do I get to keep everything? Yeah, you do. You keep everything. Give the silver membership a try. Common questions we get are the thing about the testing the traffic. The free traffic is not premium traffic. It's bulk. It's not targeted. The premium stuff comes from places like the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia. The website I showed you, you can read about it on the slides. There's a link just below this video. And again, you've tried other programs and failed. I'm here every Friday. I come on live. I answer questions just like you see on the screen. I show you traffic. I show you all the tricks that I know, everything possible. And again, after 24 plus years, 50,000 people coming through the program, it really does work. And again, we're here all the time. We're always in the Live Business Center, as I showed you. Okay, this is our 15th year. This is a little old. We are now in 2000 and almost 19, so we are looking at probably getting our 18, 19, and more awards. Silver membership, if you want to order, all you have to do is go back to your member area, look on the top menu for everything. Everything's there. If you want to know way more about the silver, right here, silver membership details, 35 reasons to upgrade. Way more information than I could tell you in this short video. 1 year silver is the way to go. It saves you about 60%, and it gives you this for free. It gives you this for free. It gives you this for free. Okay, so it's a great deal. Click on the link and you'll see what it's all about. It's pretty incredible. The monthly silver is right here on the green button. If you have any problems or anything like that, you can always turn on the Live Business Center here or get support here. Feel free to fill it all out, and we're always around to support. That's our big thing, is support, constant support. And just as a reminder, let's check in on that traffic again. This traffic is constant. There's always 53, look at this, 53. There's over 100 members sometimes on here. New subscribers coming in all the time. Okay, so we're the real deal. We'll teach you how to get some of this traffic, and you won't have to pay any more money. Okay, so I want to thank you a lot for coming in, checking this out. Again, if you have any problems, fill out a support ticket, talk to your sponsor, come on back to Live Business Center. I'd love to talk to you. Okay, see you.